Yes, we are back, and I got an amazing design for you. I'm gonna give you 3 tips that are gonna take something that's a little outdated and make it look awesome. Best of all, I'm gonna tell you how much it costs if you're gonna do it or if you're gonna hire a company to do it. Let's go to Ohio and let's make some beauty. As you can see, I am a little jacked up. Thank you very much, Logan Paul, for the Prime Energy drink, which is sponsoring this video. Totally not. Okay, so as you can see, we got some photoshopping going on. First thing I want you to lock on is the color of the shutters on this house. Now, why am I looking at this? Because they're black. This is how I wanted to pick a black mulch versus a brown. I'm playing off the architecture of the house. So anytime you're starting to pick a color palette, look at the colors of your house and go from there. Second thing is, this homeowner wanted to focus on orange, yellow, and pink, and they also love azaleas. So we are gonna put in lots and lots of azaleas and pops of different color in there with azaleas. We've got orange azaleas, we're gonna have some pink azaleas, and then we're gonna have splashes of yellow that are gonna go around some boulders. So we've almost got this Halloween vibe going on with the black and orange, which I think is a really cool palette if you wanna go that way. The final thing is, make sure when you are putting in a landscape that you're focusing on, of course, those focal points, but when you've got windows and you've got dead space in between the windows, that is the perfect opportunity to put in something cool. A cool tree, a cool pot, cool boulders. I went back and forth on the type of tree here. I think I finally ended up on an English holly, but the idea is to put something that is going to break up that dead space and make it look awesome. Finally, what do? You light up your investment. If you are going to install this yourself, with carving everything out, the plants, the mulch, you're paying for the labor, obviously, with your hard-earned sweat equity and your back, you're gonna be in at about, I'd say $3,000. If you are going to hire someone, you're gonna be closer to that $7,500 to maybe $8,000 range. If you like these kind of videos, go check this one out. I got lots more tips that are different and a different architecture, different style. This is Bobby K saying creation is everything, so go out and create. I'll see you on the next video.